अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, क्या हाल है जनाब, ठीक हो? ये नाज़रीन इरफान साहब इन्होंने डेडी दरम्यान तलक है अपने भाइये की शादी मनी आए हैं पाकिस्तान। तो और जनाब क्या हाल है, ठीक है? अच्छा, ये जनाब को नाल है जी दोस्त जी जी माशाल्लाह
फिल्म तक किसी थोड़ा आया सी इधर कल मबरूर
जी जी
या ऐसे में भी बुके जाना था मां या सनी जगह में जैसा पर असने दादे और पैदा हुई से आना ठीक है मैं भी जा मां इस फिर थी दुनिया का शादी को नाम का इंसान अलग इलाका
Well, I love it so far. It's been just 3 days, a lot to see, and well.
When you go back?
Pardon me?
When you go back?
When 2 weeks.
How like weather you here?
How like
The weather, yeah, it's nice. For me, it's good.
Nice for you.
Because I was scared that it would be too.
You know, Azad Kashmir, how person like you?
Pardon me?
How like you person Pakistani like?
How do you like the people?
I like the people. They are welcoming, always nice. Even people in cars, they stop and open the window, ask me where I come from, welcome. If I like Pakistan, so yeah, welcome people.
अच्छा, तुम्हारे भाई ने कब शादी है?
भाई ने शादी आज निकाह है।
आज निकाह है।
मराठ खत्म हुई थी 21 तारीख।
अच्छा। ते और कोई आज क्या अपने इलाके की गप सुना कुछ चंगी थे इंग्लिश में?
What could you say about France?
What could I say about France? Yeah, I love France. That's why I come from. That's why I grew up, man. And that's why I studied. So there's a lot to see, and I think more French people should come over here and don't listen to what they see in the news, and come over here and see the real Pakistani people. And yeah, they're a really lovely country. People are great. The food is great. Oh yeah, nothing to do with the media. Forget about the media. Yeah, I'm here. I'm safe, and I love it. I want to stay for a long time.
अच्छा, ये शादी जी पाकिस्तानी वेडिंग पसंद करना है?
Do you like Pakistani weddings?
Pakistani weddings. Well, it will last for like 3-4 days. It will, bet I will like it, the colors and everything. It will be a bit challenging because I'm used to have like 1 day for one wedding. So it will be something interesting, and look forward to.
उसकी आखिर जेरे लास्ट तो क्या मैसेज देना चाहने अपने जेरे ओवरसीज इंग्लैंड विच जा जिथे तू रेड़े कंट्री भाई आज़ाद कश्मीर चाहना विजिट करना चाहना नहीं करना चाहना?
Yes, definitely. I recommend them to come over here. Not just Pakistan, but also Kashmir, because it's something different.
Natural Kashmir, yeah.
It's just like Scottish with England. They want to be independent and get something else. Great experience, and you learn.
Yeah.
You learn a lot. Definitely a great
You've seen the
experience.
Pakistan.
Yes.
You've seen the difference. It's more city.
Yeah.
This is more natural.
More natural, more rural, more the countryside.
Yeah.
People, it's different.
इसकी पूछो भाई पाकिस्तान विच या कश्मीर विच केड़ी जे चंगे होटल खाना तू पसंद करता है?
So, what hotels did you prefer for food?
What?
Which places did you like for food?
I don't
When
remember. I
you
forgot the
the
name.
feast,
The
Rapial.
one last night, I can't remember. Nalaz?
the feast.
Nafis. Nafis. Yeah, that was great food. I like the mutton curry. Mutton curry, yeah, with chapati. Yeah, with brown flour chapati. Yeah, I loved it. Yeah, it was very good. Yeah.
Thank you and nice meet you.
Nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Chakswari.
Chakswari.
Oh my God.
You know, district Zila Mirpur.
Chakswari.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Love is.
So you prefer the place that go to Pakistan?
Yeah.
Get the fresh air when it's hot.
Yeah, it's
Okay, bye. See you later.